Alright, this video is sponsored by nobody, but let's go ahead and still get it started. This is a brand new Google Chromecast that just hit shelves today. I went straight out to a local electronics store to purchase it. We were wanting it in the sky blue color, but due to the fact that we live in Europe, or in Germany to be exact, they didn't have any of that in stock. They only had white, and they had 5 available when we came up there, so I took what I could take, and I'll be buying the blue one later to make the wifey happy. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at the box. Front side, nothing really, special. Looks like a normal Chromecast box. Down here we got the apps that are available in the area. Other areas of the world look a little bit different. The bottom of the box, yeah, standard, Chromecast info and whatnot. The camera didn't want to focus there. And here's the special part about this Chromecast version, the new one. Actually, it's Google TV, which is more or less Android TV. So there's a lot more stuff that you're able to do with this, not just stream from your phone, but actually, access the App Store and whatnot. But I'll have to test it out myself. It does offer all the way up to 4K with HDR, so that'll be pretty interesting to test out. Our old Chromecast can only do up to full HD because we didn't have the UHD version. We got some box artwork right here, Hey Google, because the remote does actually support Hey Google support. And now let's go ahead and jump on into this. So I already took the plastic wrap off, so it'll be a little bit easier to open. So we're going to be greeted here with 2 compartments, one for the remote, because this device is an Android TV version, so you're able to control it with the remote. And here's the device itself. Let's go ahead and start off with the device itself, which is also very interesting because the form that they took is not the standard hockey puck form like it's been for the past couple of years for the Chromecast, but they ended up taking a different route, which I found very interesting. It should help with thermals in the device, a little bit more surface area. All right, really professional, old school unboxing. Let's see if we can get this out with one hand, and we are successful. Comes in this wonderful little pouch, eco-friendly pouch. I like it. Good for the environment. I'm gonna guess. I don't know any official stuff, but it doesn't seem like, the run-of-the-mill packaging. Let's go ahead and take it out. This is in the Snow White edition. We have the Google logo on the front, HDMI port on the back, just like the last couple generations. But I guess there's a built-in magnet here. Let's see. No built-in magnet like the 2nd and 3rd gen. On the back side, we got here a little sync button and the USB port, which looks like this time around, it's actually USB-C. That is great. Finally, USB-C. I don't know if the Ultra had USB-C or not. Now for scale, I brought our tried and true Chromecast 2nd generation. As I said earlier, just the size of this thing is a lot bigger than the original hockey puck format. Here we also have the standard USB-B. Here we got the USB-C. And overall, that should help with the content supposed to be streaming. On top of that, this does have Android TV built into it, so it does need a little bit more horsepower. And for the components that are actually built into the device, every little inch can help. Let's put this away. Let's go on to the next part of the box. We got the remote. All right, let's see. Can I get this with one hand? Should be able to. We're gonna do this. I got some skills, some mad finger skills, if you know what I mean. All right, shake it a little bit. Oh yeah, and there we go. We got the remote. Also in this wonderful eco-friendly packaging. And there we go. Looks pretty nice. So we got your Google Assistant button, home, back, YouTube, Netflix buttons are also built into it. Mute, power, and looks like a menu key or an input key. That's interesting. Volume up, volume down, also very interesting. We're gonna go ahead and open it. 2 AAA batteries, which are probably not included. Let's take a look. And we got Los Gates, startup manual, and that's some pretty thin paperwork. I remember back then, whenever you'd buy something, tech related, you'd have, this big of a book that comes with it with all the infos. But nowadays, I guess you can just, read everything off the smartphone, just better anyways for the environment than printing 3 billion pages. Here we have the rather long USB-C cable. USB-A on one end, USB-C on the other end, wrapped together. Long enough length to reach any entertainment media. I'll be plugging this into our hi-fi receiver, Yamaha AV receiver, so don't really need that long of a length. And here we've got, I am struggling. No, I'm going to do this in one take, because I just want to do this nice and quick. Alright, I don't want to destroy the box. Alright, we're going to do this in 2 takes. 1 second. Though it did require 2 hands to get this out of the box without, destroying the box completely. It's just a standard USB wall wart. This for the EU version, if you're in the US, you'll have a different type of plug, but that's pretty self-explanatory. I don't need to tell you that. It's a 5 volt, 1.5 amps, so nothing too special, nothing too high end. So apparently this unit here does not need that much electricity, which is great, which means I can use the outlet on my AV receiver, which shouldn't be a problem. Here are the batteries, the AA or AAA batteries that the remote needs, so you don't need to purchase that either. And that's just a little unboxing of what you get here in the box. You get the device, the remote, 2 AAA batteries, the wall wart, and this wonderful USB-C cable. A review and more in-depth information about the device will be uploaded probably within a week to 2 weeks. I want to play around with it first, test out some HDR content, Netflix, Amazon, and so on and so forth, and I'll let you guys know. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. If you liked it, subscribe, hit the like button, do all that wonderful YouTube stuff. And we'll see each other in about a week when the review for this comes out.